Okay, so let's see what price action tells us about cryptocurrency. And we are facing very, very important levels now on Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies. They're all pushing towards new highs. For Bitcoin, those levels are from over a year now. We haven't seen those prices since over a year. And tomorrow is the case where the market is going to decide if they're going to hold into Bitcoin or they're going to move towards the dollar. That's going to, of course, depends on what the market considers for the Fed, if they're going to do a good hike or not as good decision. And whatever happens with the hike tomorrow, like I said, Bitcoin is a good opportunity for the market to try to push towards the 30,000 and 31,000. So our strategy is going to be based on price action only, besides what the market does tomorrow. If we are below 28,500 and 28 levels for tomorrow, we're going to go for short, we're going to go for the seller. But if the market holds about 28 and 28,500 for tomorrow, then it's going to push toward 30 and 31,000. So don't think that because it's a yearly high or because the market is testing highs, it's going to go down. In price action, everything depends on the fundamentals. And one high, even if this is a year high, it might also be considered as the opportunity for more buyers, for more buy pressure. So forget about indicators. If indicators are telling you oversold, overbought, whatever, in price action means nothing. Just crap. And then for the last 2-3 years, the market's been acting like that. Indicators are not ahead of the market, so you must put yourself in terms of the market always, how they're going to see the Fed decisions, how they're going to consider the dollar is going to go. Like I said, Bitcoin is a good opportunity for the market as an alternative market, since the Fed or the market might not be happy with the Fed tomorrow. And of course, the decision there is about if the high is going to be 50 points, 25 points, and whatever happens is really not good. I mean, on 50 points, we might see that the market is taking as not good news because we know what's going to happen on the banking system. And if they take 25 points, they're going to get out of the dollar anyway. So for whatever reason, the Bitcoin is really showing us that it might be a good opportunity. So like I said, we might consider the 30,000 for tomorrow, 31,000, okay? But everything depends on the price. So tomorrow I'm going to be updating also before the Fed. And one more time, they don't wait for the Fed. I mean, we're just going to know. The market always discounts the information beforehand, okay? Remember, you can join with my live trading sessions. I trade on the US opening hours for 2 hours. I do live, I trade my trading account, people follow my instructions. I do mainly FX, but also